Have you ever wondered where new bitcoins come from? It's not like a bank just prints them. They're mined. But what does that even mean? Are people chipping away at computers with tiny pickaxes? Not exactly, but it's just as fascinating. Stick around, and I'll break down the entire process of Bitcoin mining in a way that is super easy to understand. So imagine the entire Bitcoin network is like a giant, public digital ledger. This ledger is called the blockchain. Every time someone sends or receives Bitcoin, that transaction gets recorded. To keep everything secure and in order, these transactions are grouped together into what we call a block. This is where the miners come in. Their job is to add these new blocks of transactions to the blockchain. But to do that, they have to solve a really, really difficult math problem. Think of it like trying to guess a specific number out of trillions and trillions of possibilities. It's not something a human could do. It requires immense computational power. Miners use specialized, powerful computers, often called ASICs, which stands for Application-Specific Integrated Circuits. The first miner whose computer guesses the correct number gets to add the new block of transactions to the blockchain. As a reward for their effort and the electricity they've used, they receive two things. First, they get the transaction fees from all the transactions included in that block. And second, and this is the big one, they are rewarded with a brand new, freshly created amount of Bitcoin. Right now, that reward is 3.125 Bitcoin per block. This reward is how new Bitcoins are introduced into circulation. This whole process is called proof of work. It's the mechanism that secures the network. Because it takes so much work and energy to solve the puzzle and add a block, it makes it incredibly difficult and expensive for anyone to cheat or tamper with the transaction history. To change even one past transaction, a hacker would need to redo all the work for that block and all the blocks that came after it, all while the rest of the world's miners are moving forward. It's practically impossible. So, in a nutshell, Bitcoin mining is a competitive process where miners use powerful computers to solve complex puzzles. By doing this, they verify and add new transactions to the blockchain, securing the entire network. For their hard work, they are rewarded with new Bitcoin. It's a brilliant system that keeps everything decentralized and secure, without needing a central authority like a bank. Pretty cool, right? It's the digital gold rush of our time. If you found this explanation helpful and want to learn more about the world of crypto, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.